Happy Sunday, Denver. We saw some nice cool temperatures this morning for runners at the Colfax Marathon. This is about 40 minutes ago. We're seeing a lot of blue skies. Runners, spectators starting to clear out. In 9 a.m., 56 degrees. Through noon, 60, 62, cooling down again by 6 p.m. at 55. We'll see a good chance of rain throughout the day, increasing as we get towards the afternoon. Here's a look at Fort Collins, foothills and mountains. Those clouds are building, and we will start to see some storms as we get into the afternoon. Today we'll see a high around 67, 40% chance of rain. We're likely to see that move in later on. Current temperatures in the metro area, mostly mid-60s. A good word for the afternoon as we approach noontime is sunshine. We're seeing mostly blue skies here at City Park in Denver. 1 year ago we had mostly dry conditions, moderate drought for some areas of the state and severe drought as we moved into the far northwest areas of the mountains. Currently we're looking at extreme drought. By the time we get to midnight, it's moved farther east to Greeley. We will see short-lived, heavier thunder and rainstorms, chance of small hail as we get farther east onto the plains. Looking at our 7-day planner, Thursday, tomorrow, warm, nice, 80 degrees. Slight chance of rain, 30%. By 8 a.m., we'll see about 60 degrees, 75 by 11, 80, 2 p.m., cooling down through the 70s. Again, by 8 p.m., we'll see about 68 degrees. Friday, warm, mostly sunshine, a few clouds later in the afternoon. Saturday and Sunday are looking nice as well. Cooling down Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. We'll start to see a cooling trend. Moderate as we get into the mountains and Denver metro area. This has improved considerably with our March and April storms. Looking now at Westminster, we're seeing clouds. They've covered up the blue skies, and we'll start to see some storms move in this afternoon and evening. Here's a look at our radar. We're seeing some nice storms and thunderstorms, lightning over the high areas, mostly along the Continental Divide and farther east along I-70 down south, Telluride and Durango. Right now, 79 degrees in Denver. Humidity fairly dry, not seeing much wind, and pressure is falling. So as we'll see that continue to drop as those storms move in. Noontime, we were seeing around 75 degrees. 2 p.m. Here's a look right now. Only an hour ago in Fort Collins, we're seeing mostly sunshine, beautiful blue skies, few clouds lingering right now. Those clouds have increased only a bit. Sunshine mostly. We're going to see the same conditions here in Denver. City Park, we're seeing beautiful blue skies. A lot of people getting out and enjoying their Mother's Day today from the mountains, and they'll join us later on in the afternoon and evening. Ending overnight, we'll see around 60 degrees at 8 p.m. Still warm, but we'll need that moisture. Here's a look at our future cast. We're seeing those storms, like I said, along the higher areas of the Continental Divide. Mostly clouds east. Here's your commute. We're seeing those storms move into Denver, south and east of Colorado Springs. Again, lingering in the mountains. Nice day today, and we could see many areas approach 80 degrees. Current temperatures now, Denver is right at 70 degrees, Aurora 66, Bennett 70 as we move farther east to Fort Morgan. Not too gusty now, light wind, but we will see winds increase through the day. Boulder, nice and windy, 13 miles per hour. Low temperatures tonight, 44 in Denver, mostly 40s, low 40s. Bennett, cooler again at 34 degrees. Boulder, cool at 27. 40s and 30s as we get into higher elevations. Noon, 70 degrees. 3 p.m., we're going to warm up to around 80 degrees. Nice time to start your barbecue, grilling for Mother's Day. Clouds, which could bring us storms later on this afternoon. We're already seeing quite a bit of lightning, strikes increasing up to 300 measured strikes in the mountainous areas, higher altitudes. We're seeing right now, later on this evening, we will see those move into our area. Noon, 75 degrees. Now we're at 2 p.m. starting to see our high creep up into the upper 70s. We should linger around 77 degrees for the rest of the afternoon and evening. Rain into the night will end overnight, 62 degrees by 8 p.m. Fairly cool, but still nice. Let's take a look at our future cast. We're seeing these storms still in the high country as we move in farther into the afternoon, 5:30 for your commute. We will see some light, short-lived storms in the Denver area, farther east of Colorado Springs. Not much east, but clouds, sunshine, blue skies. This will change. This will be an area where we can see thunderstorms start to build tomorrow evening as we step through the future cast, nice through the morning. Around noontime, starting to see clouds and showers build in the higher elevations. And 50 degrees overnight tonight. Warm Friday, 85 degrees, sunshine with only a few clouds. Saturday, we're seeing another slight chance of rain, but warm at 80 degrees. As we move into Sunday, we're going to see a cooling trend. 75 degrees, 30% chance of rain. Monday and Tuesday continuing that trend. Not seeing much but high pressure around the area. We will see these clouds move in by tomorrow. We'll start to see some storms build in the mountains by tomorrow afternoon. Here were our forecast high temperatures for this morning. Mostly mid-70s as we move down the I-25 corridor, mid-60s as we look in the mountains, already surpassing that. 77 degrees right now in DIA, Denver. We're already looking at 79 degrees. Winds, very calm out there, but we're seeing that pressure fall, and we will see that continue to fall as these storms move in through this evening. At noon, 75 degrees, warming up nicely. 75 now. We'll start to see those storms creep in from the west, lingering over the Continental Divide through this evening, and cooling down through the 70s. By 8 p.m., we're looking at low 60s, still fairly warm. We'll see that rain taper off over tonight. Here's a look at Westminster, looking over towards the Flatirons. We're seeing quite a few clouds taking over that sunshine we saw earlier today.